Loser will treat.
Boring.
Do forfeit?
Buy an ugly sweater and wear it for the
that's damn harsh. You have to spend money to buy an ugly sweater and you still have to wear it the whole day.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me, I know nothing. Ever since I wanted you, I went dripping. Never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling. My head is spinning round. I went slipping. Never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say.
I don't hate it. Got this kind of dry yong tau fu, then the sauce, right? It tastes a bit like that, which I also don't like.
I love the yong sauce. I eat yong tau. I never use the chili. I only use the yong tau sauce.
Then maybe you'll love this one.
Tofu piece like very xiang, and I like it.
You like that, okay? So does it taste like the yong tau fu sweet sauce?
Yeah, a bit not exactly, but
Yeah, but a bit like that kind of familiar taste.
yeah. So it does taste a bit like the yong tau fu sweet sauce. It might not be something I crave. If I need to eat this as a meal, I can probably finish like one bowl by myself, and I would quite enjoyably like it. I would quite enjoy it.
I know nothing. Ever since I wanted you, I went dripping. Never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling. My head is spinning round. I went slipping. Never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me.
我觉得我看越吃越好吃，and I I think this kind of store is very no nonsense. They only sell one thing, and they only sell that one thing at one size. So it shows how much confidence they have in the food they're selling. So yeah, actually, as you eat more, it really gets a lot better.
You got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say.
Bravo. Are you gonna tell them what's the competition about?
Who can take a better photo with pure talent?
Okay, so we're gonna let you all decide who took the better photo. Write down in the comments below who
Without
do you think.
using any editing.
Why?
That's cheating already, what? You cannot use Lightroom all that.
Why?
Just pure
Why?
photo.
Why can I use Lightroom? Anyway, leave in the comments down below of who do you think took the better photo. Okay, and what would the loser do? The loser would cheat.
Boring.
Do forfeit?
Buy an ugly sweater and wear it for the
that's damn harsh. You have to spend money to buy an ugly sweater and you still have to wear it the whole day. Okay, anyway, that's all. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching season 1 of XL Travels. If you have been with us since day 1, we thank you for your continuous support. But if you are new here and you have not watched our other videos, I've linked it up here for you. And also, don't forget that you can get a copy of our travel itinerary on our website, XL Travels. I'll link it in the description down below. We are also super excited about season 2 of XL Travels, so if you have not done so, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will know when season 2 goes live. And with that, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
You got me